So, yeah, this is a Beautylish unboxing. And of course, since moving from Texas and having my asshole landlord throw away all my palettes, I had to start all over again. Blood sugar, and I'm going to record the next package. Oh, this is Morphe. Okay. Well, you know I'll be trying to get his shit like crazy, so from wherever. So that's Morphe. I guess the next box is Beautylish. So you know I gotta get the, and hopefully you can't see nothing on there. I gotta get the big, yeah, Beautylish, the big guy out. Talking about the knife, by the way. Probably why I need it. Anyways, ooh, we all love some samples. Micellar water and something else. So cute how they package their shit. Add this with my Jefree Star collection. This is all I have right now. Jefree, please get a girl up. My landlord threw all my shit away, and so I have to start all over again. I used to have your 2 original palettes, and I remember I was gonna get blood sugar when it first came in. Let me shut up and open the rest. Okay. Okay. A little disappointed. This was the Jefree Star bag, but I could put some brushes in there. That's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. I'll open that up later. Gotta go get the tripod because it's hard to do everything with one hand. Oh, that's right, some concealers, right? Oh, please excuse my nails. I'm probably gonna put music over this anyway. C2, I just saw, I'm sorry, I can't remember your name, but that's because my memory sucks, but some girl on my Instagram who did or who I follow on YouTube who did swatches of these, and I was like, shit, I should have gotten fucking C5. But I'm pale and I'm in Washington, so we'll see. Okay, I think this is, I only could afford 1 powder. I'm trying Jefree. I'm trying to get the, if I could just have Jefree Star, I would do that. But I totally need, so what I need is some brow shit. That's my main thing, is my brows and some lashes. So translucent, of course. If I can only get one, why not get colored? Or why get colored? So I'm really upset that I ordered some Morphe and his brushes were sold out, because that was actually decently priced and they look pretty cool from what I've seen online, and I'd like to try that shit. Still love how Beautylish packages their stuff, but Morphe, no, I think they both have payment programs. Oh, that's right. I ordered this when I was high, so these are some 420 brushes. I needed some brushes anyway, though, so now I don't have to go out and buy them. Cute, huh? Little prop leaves. Love. All this wonderful, beautiful stuff. Look at that. Let's show off a good Jefree. That's not Jefree. This is Jefree. So the only thing I didn't get that was not Jefree was the, I think there is the Beautylish brand. Like, they don't even have a brand on them, but they were on sale. I'm known for $1.27. Here is what I thought this little bugger was. So you do get what you pay for, because that's a really nice size, and with some cute brushes. And that's one thing is this is clear, and the other one doesn't look so clear. But I'll show it better later when I take it all out of the packaging. But here we go. Oh, next to Rio, roommate's cat. The start of Elena's Jefree Star collection.